This video I will explain AI or artificial intelligence. AI stands for artificial intelligence. It means machines or computer programs that can think and learn in a way that looks like a human intelligence. Instead of just following the instructions, AI can analyze the data, look at the information, learn patterns, understand what usually happens, make decisions or predictions, guess the next step or best choice. How AI learns. We will see the simple example. Imagine you are teaching a child to recognize fruits. You show them apples, bananas, and oranges again and again. After some time, the child can identify the fruit by themselves. AI works in a similar way. You feed it lot of examples and it learns to recognize the patterns and make decisions. Step 1 is show examples. Feed AI thousands of fruit images. Step 2 is learn patterns. AI identifies common features. Step 3 is make predictions. AI can now recognize the new fruits. Now we will see AI in your daily life. You already use AI in daily life, often without noticing. First one is voice assistants like Alexa, Siri, or Google Assistant, which understand your voice and respond. Second one is video recommendations. YouTube and Netflix suggest videos or shows based on what you watch. Third one is smart navigation. Google Maps find the fastest route by analyzing the traffic patterns. Fourth one is shopping suggestions. AI recommends products based on your past purchases and browsing history. Fifth one is email protection. Spam filters separate junk mail from important messages automatically. Now we will see AI versus normal programs. Normal program follows fixed rules written by the programmer. For example, a calculator can only give answers if you type numbers correctly. AI program learns from the data and can improve itself over the time. For example, an AI chatbot learned to answer questions in different ways, even with varied phrasing. The key difference is AI adopts and learns, while traditional programs only follow the predetermined instructions. Now we will see types of AI. There are two types. The first one is narrow AI, the second one is general AI. First, we will see narrow AI. AI that does one task very well. For example, face recognition in your phone, language translation, chess playing programs, medical image analysis. This is what we have today. Next one is general AI. AI that could think and learn like human in many areas. Status of this one is this does not exist yet, but it is a dream of scientists and researchers worldwide. This is the future goal of AI development. Why AI matters? First point is saves time. AI performs repetitive tasks much faster than humans, freeing up time for creative and strategic work. Second point is improves accuracy. AI excels in areas like medical scans, language translations, and data analysis with minimal errors. Third point is better decisions. AI analyzes huge amounts of information quickly to support informed decision making. Now we will see what are the AI risks to consider. AI is powerful, but it also has risk if not managed properly. First point is job displacement. Machines may replace some human jobs, particularly in manufacturing, customer service, and data processing roles. Second point is bias issues. If AI learns from unfair or incomplete data, it may make biased decisions, which affects hiring, lending, or law enforcement. Third point is over reliance. People might depend too much on machines, potentially losing critical thinking and problem solving skills. Important things to remember. First point is AI is not a magic. It is still a computer program built and trained by humans with specific goals and limitations. Second point is quality depends on data. AI is only as good as the data it learns from. Poor data leads to poor AI performance. Third point is raises important questions. AI's growth brings up crucial discussions. about jobs, privacy, and ethics that society must address. AI is the tool that amplifies human capabilities, but it requires human wisdom to guide its development and use. Now we will see key takeaways. Artificial intelligence is when computers learn from data and act in a smart way, like recognizing faces, answering questions, or suggesting movies. AI is already part of your daily life through voice assistants, recommendations, navigations, and email filters. AI is growing more advanced every day, promising exciting possibilities while requiring careful consideration of its impact. Understanding AI today prepares us for tomorrow's technological landscape.